Hi, I'm Amy Korenik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. I'm going to show you the texture wheels. The texture wheel set comes with 4 interchangeable wheel heads and a handle. When you're ready to use it, you just pick up the texture that you want and snap it onto the handle. It's just that easy. This one is the feather stitch. Now I already have some clay sheeted through the clay conditioning machine, and I just put this on the edge and then with some hand pressure, roll forward. Look at what a beautiful clean design that makes. This one is the rope. I'll just do the same thing again. I'm just pressing down and then rolling forward. Nice deep textures. This is the vine. Press down and roll forward. And this one is the pearls. Now when you're all done, you can easily clean these with a baby wipe, or for a more permanent clean, you can use warm, soapy water. The texture wheels are great for all kinds of projects, from jewelry making to home decor.